Hello Android users, in this video we will explore feature of proxy which helps to bypass blocks, but it might affect your data speed as well, right? Make sure you're using a trusted proxy server for security. Now go to your WhatsApp and then you will have to tap on three dots on top right corner and go to the settings area. Now you have to tap on storage and data, right? Once you reach there, you will see option of proxy off, right? You tap there and you will tap on setup proxy. Now enter the proxy server address. You will need to get this from your network admin or a trusted source, right? So on screen I am showing you that only. So I've copied that. Now I will check the chat port and media port as well, and I will copy it and paste in the setup proxy options. And this is actually optional as mentioned, so these ports are optional to put or not, right? So you also mentioned your proxy host at first. Now you have to tap on the green tick option on lower right corner. Once you do that, it will be connected with the proxy host that you mentioned. And that is how we use proxy feature in WhatsApp. See you in the next video and make sure that you watch the previous videos. Ta-da!